Did you know which planet is called the Red Planet? Who wrote the play Romeo and Juliet? What is the largest ocean on Earth? Which country invented paper? What is the fastest land animal? In today's video, we will give detailed answers to many more unknown questions that will surprise you. So don't skip the video and watch it till the end. What is the capital of India? Correct answer C. Delhi. Delhi is the capital city of India. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Correct answer B. Mercury. Mercury is the nearest planet to the Sun. Who discovered gravity? Correct answer A. Isaac Newton. Newton discovered gravity when an apple fell. What is the largest mammal? Correct answer option D. Blue whale. Blue whale is the largest mammal. Which gas do humans need to breathe? Correct answer option C. Oxygen. Humans need oxygen to survive. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Correct answer option A. Leonardo da Vinci. Leonardo da Vinci painted the Mona Lisa. What is the national animal of India? Correct answer option D. Tiger is India's national animal. Which is the smallest continent? Correct answer option B. Australia. Australia is the smallest continent. What is H2O commonly known as? Correct answer option C. Water. H2O is the chemical name for water. Who was the first man on the moon? Correct answer option B. Neil Armstrong. Neil Armstrong was the first man to walk on the moon. Which is the largest ocean? Correct answer option C. Pacific. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Who invented the telephone? Correct answer option A. Alexander Graham Bell. Alexander Graham Bell invented the telephone. Which country invented paper? Correct answer option C. China. Paper was invented in China. What is the fastest land animal? Correct answer option D. Cheetah. Cheetah is the fastest land animal. Which is the largest desert in the world? Correct answer option C. Antarctica. Antarctica is the largest desert because it is cold and dry. Who is known as the father of computers? Correct answer option B. Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage designs the first computer concept? Which organ pumps blood in the human body? Correct answer option C. Heart. The heart pumps blood. Which festival is known as the Festival of Lights? Correct option A. Diwali. Diwali is called the Festival of Lights. What is the currency of Japan? Correct option D. Yen. Japan uses yen. Who discovered America? Correct option C. Christopher Columbus. Columbus discovered America in 1492. Which is the tallest mountain in the world? Correct option B. Mount Everest. Mount Everest is the tallest mountain. Which blood group is called the universal donor? Correct option C. O negative. O negative can donate to all groups. Which planet is known as Earth's twin? Correct option A. Venus. Venus is called Earth's twin. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet? Correct option C. Shakespeare. Shakespeare wrote Romeo and Juliet. Which country is called the land of rising sun? Correct option D. Japan. Japan is called the land of rising sun. Which vitamin is produced by sunlight? Correct option C. Vitamin D. Sunlight helps produce vitamin D. Which is the largest river in the world? Correct option B. Nile. Nile is the longest river. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? Correct option C. Mercury. Mercury is liquid at room temperature. Who was the first president of the USA? Correct answer option D. George Washington. George Washington was the first president. Which bird is the national bird of India? Correct option A. Peacock. Peacock is India's national bird. Thanks for watching. Did you enjoy today's quiz? Write your score in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. See you in the next episode.